okay?
Not really. Ray seems to love killing Pokémon. And Moses too.
Really?
Groups of grumpy old men started getting together to try and find an answer to the problem. Maybe there's something on the news.
Mark Wriggler is a very crazy man.
That's not quite the answer I was looking for.
It's transmitted by smartphone.
Surely somebody knows.
The virus is spread by smartphone. Why didn't anyone ask? I forgot men are too stupid to ask for help.
Hello, Ray. I think I've got the answer. It's spread by smartphone. You're going to form a Pokémon resistance movement? What's that?
Oh, Moses, what have I got in here then, when Ray's asleep? I take his glasses and go out and catch Pokémon.
Lady, you are one crazy woman.
Ah, at least you're all together in the end.
I've gone anywhere. I'm just here chilling on the block. Fire for burn from Babylon, cause all them ever do is torment the poor people them.